Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from jdm24scale.com. And today I want to take a closer look at a brand new photo etch set which has just been released by Scalab 24, and it is specifically for the new Tamiya GR Supra kit. Yes, this one right here. Alright, so as I've said, this has been released by Scalab 24. You will find a link to contact them in this video's description below, and let's open it up and see what we have included. First of all, the first thing we can notice is this black ribbon. This is specifically for the seat belts, for the front seat belt, so that you can make your own using the parts found in this same kit. Let's open it up. Beginning with the ribbon we have mentioned, as we can see it is knurled and very similar to the original seat belt material, so that will make it more realistic once attached. Now let's begin opening the pack. This is the paper. You will find the photo etch in, closed by another seal from Scalab. And let's open that up right there, and there we go. As you can see, two pieces of photo etch, and also underneath each photo etch you will find the description where every part needs to be attached. This is the first one, and that is the second one right there. So let's begin taking a closer look at what we actually get included with this photo etch. And beginning from here, you have 4 different types of license plates. You may ask why 4. Alright, so 2 of them, you have 1, 2, these squarish ones are for the American and Japan versions. It all depends on which Supra version you are building. You also have the rectangular ones, and these are made when you are building a European version. You either have the blank ones or the Toyota Supra detailed ones. That's up to you to choose. We have some GR logo over there, the steering shift pedals, Toyota badges, the foot pedals, seat belts, the rear light, speaker grills. Okay, and we have more speaker grills down here. Moving to the second one, we have a combination of grills where you are guided where they are need to be attached. Alright, just correspond the logo with what is written. Also the disc brakes, clearly marked front and rear, and that is all from this sheet. You can see the hood vent and everything. So that's quite a nice presentation from Scalab 24, and I'm sure that will make your brand new Tamiya GR Supra kit even more detailed. If, like me, you like this photo etch set to make your Supra more detailed, you can contact Scalab from the link below. Please subscribe. I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.